a couple of videos ago we had updated this Cat D6N. It's an MC2 system, and what's happening is when you put it in the autos on the screen, the machine and the blade is like shifting around on the model. So we're going to check out the sensor and a couple other things today. Alright, so to test this, I just took the sensor off and just put a new one on, and we're going to see if it's actually in the sensor itself. I couldn't tell if there was anything loose in it, so see what the screen says. First things first, let's go in and actually check these valve offsets off. Check them out. Where is throttle on this one? Where's your throttle? Settings look good. I'm not seeing it moving around. I saw an image of it. They video recorded it, and it would shift side to side like this. I think we found the problem. I think it was in the sensor. I'll put the old sensor back on and try it. Alright, so I couldn't get any vibration or movement on the screen from the sensor. I put the old sensor back on. I didn't see anything weird. So I left the old sensor on. And you see the antenna? It's not actually moving much at all. I've seen 10 times worse than that. All I did was go in and adjust the valve offsets on this right now, so he's going to test it and see if it's wonky or not. Alright, so what the operator is telling me is that it actually did something that I didn't notice. I thought it was operator control. As he's moving, the blade will, in autos, will actually start to move on its own and not maintain model course. So let's see. That doesn't look like it's adjusting at all. I don't think he's in autos yet. See, that's searching. That's searching. That would be valve offsets, but I just checked them. Very weird. I'm going to say this has to be the amperage, something to do with the amperage in the valve setup. Let me turn this off. Let me take a look here. Go to valve offsets, advanced valve settings. It's on proportional current, 1.31 amps. We're gonna have to play with those amps, I think. Smart momentary. We should go down or up. We'll try down first and see what happens. tell if it's even adjusting. It's not adjusting, see? Alright, so that was too low. Maybe we'll try a little higher and see what happens. Oh, yeah, see, it's going crazy now. Alright, that's what it is. Alright, good. We figured it out. Alright, so we need to put it back on 131 and change that to 1.5. And now let's try it. It's gonna hunt a little bit, but it shouldn't hunt a lot. Let's move forward and let's give it a try here. Still hunting. Alright. We'll drop that down a little bit more. I don't think we can go anymore. Let's try going up and see what happens. That's better. That's better. Still hunting side to side a little bit more than I like. So, alright, let's bump that up a little bit more. Wow, 12%. Well, let's see what happens. I'll have to go in and reset the valve offsets. But that's looking better. Alright, so I think I got it. You can see it adjusting nice and slowly. What it was, your elevation gain, raise, and lower. Elevation gain raise was at 50, and watch when I set that to 50. It really starts to adjust quickly. And this one was set at 35, and it's even more jerky, so I guess I'm going to try 25 there, 25 there, and that's pretty nice and smooth. There's also another one, your slope gain. This was at 35, which you can see it adjusting a lot faster. We'll also put that at 25. Now let's drive forward. See if it adjusts correctly. It's got to maintain that number right there close to 0 while adjusting. And it's doing it. To test this, high RPMs, and you see how it's hunting now, so we're still probably just a tad high. I'm going to knock those down to 20. All you got to do is lift up on the handle, and it should adjust and return back nice and smooth. We went outside the window there. Got to be within, what, 3/10, roundabout. There it goes. Comes down. You go down, it comes up, and it's trying to find that surface. That looks pretty good to me. It's not too bad. It's moving maybe about 300s down there, up and down. We might be able to set these even lower. We'll try even lower yet. Didn't change anything, so I'm going to put those back at, we'll do 20. Oh yeah, you can feel the difference there. It wants lower. So we'll go 10. See if it smoothens out. It's not too bad. See how it's kind of maintaining. It's all the jerkiness that you don't want to feel. We'll try 8. All right, that feels nice and smooth. Now let's give it a test. Going backwards into autos. That blade should adjust nice and slowly, not super fast, but it should adjust. And it should maintain as close to 0 as possible. If it's not maintaining, if it's jumping up like that, then we need to bump those up just a little bit more based on the speed. So we'll do 15. Alright, now we'll go forward with it. Should correct. That's not too bad. Let's actually go up 20. I think that because I had it on 50 on raise, that was just a little bit too much. That's looking a lot better. Alright. Yeah, we're holding closer to 0. It means it's adjusting faster. You don't want to go into the tenths. Let's go forward and try it. That looks good right there. That looks good. See how it corrects? It's a good correction speed. It's not all flopping around. Alright, this machine is done. Get back to work.